Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox language. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to head to our Roblox website. Just type roblox.com and then you will need just to log in to your account. After that, we will need just to access to our settings panel. If you go to the nav bar here, you won't find like the settings, but you will find the profiles here. We are interested on the settings. So you go here on this menu or on the corner in this gear icon, and then you go and click on settings. And basically here we will find the account info on my settings. We go just down a little bit, and here we will find language. You click here on the language, and then you choose any language that you would like. And basically, you will need just to choose the language that you like, for example, English or any other language, and then you will need just to click on save, and you will have your language that will be changed successfully. Otherwise, you can just like go at the bottom of the page in the footer, and here we will find like other languages for our pages. And here you will need, for example, let's just search for French, for example, and we will have our page that will be restarted or refreshed, and we will have our language that has been changed successfully. And of course, if you want to make it back again, you will need just to go again and uh, set it as English, and you will have your language that will be restarted as back. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.